Hey guys, welcome back. In these next few videos, we would like to run you through some of the changes that we have made to the Link Studio on the Addis update. Let's begin. In this video, we will be discussing the additional features to identifying, modifying, and logging the first crack point on your link roasts. Something that you will notice as new is that your link app populated solutions now includes a suggested first crack range. When the profile is loaded, you will see this range indicated on your Link Studio as a light green visual cue. This light green zone indicates where on the roast you can expect first crack to occur, allowing you to be able to successfully activate the DTR function in the right area and time of each roast you do. Note that it is possible still for first crack to be slightly earlier or later than this zone, and its purpose should be treated as a guide over paramount certainty. If rolling crack happens before or after the indicated zone, this would be a good time to use the advanced dial-in function. If you are planning to roast the same coffee again after this initial roast, here's a little tip we found for best using this first crack indication. When approaching this area, I like to select a part of the indicated first crack zone and use the zoom function to see a clearer view. Once first crack has been logged, we would look to zoom out to return to normal view. So what else is new? Well, aside from the visual guide, there have been 3 updates to manage the logged first crack point. The first are some improvements to how you can redo the point of logged first crack. The second is adding a way to deleting the point of the first crack if incorrect or accidentally logged. And the last is the ability to add in a point of the first crack to the profile if we were late to log and missed adding it live. Let's run through each of these in order. To redo a point of the first crack directly from the machine, we would first need to log the initial crack. Then to override, we simply push the far right menu button once, play to access the options, and then the plus button when we want to relog. Relogging from the studio is as easy as clicking the FC button a second time to start the DTR counter again. Moving on, let's now see how to delete a logged point of the first crack. Directly from the unit, we would again push the far right menu button, then the play button to access the options. This time, to delete the logged point of crack, we would push the minus button. To do this action directly from the studio, we would click on this little arrow to expand the menu. In the second box, we would then make sure the first crack is selected and then click delete. Lastly, let's look at how we can log a point of the first crack in the past if we had missed it but wanted to still activate DTR. A thing to note here is that this is a function that can only be done via the Link Studio. To do this, we would once again click on the little triangle to expand the menu. In the top box, we would type the time already passed in the profile, where DTR should have been activated, and then click enter on the keypad to submit. Doing so will start the timer, with the time that is already passed accounted for. And that is a wrap. With the Addis update, logging first crack correctly has never been easier, even if you need to redo it or delete it a few times first. As always, happy roasting.